Only on a 6K. Oh, your voltage is solid.
It's beast.
DJ.
Oh, nice. You demoing, man?
Yeah. I can show you the trunk if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Ooh, 100 amp hour?
Yep.
Wow. Only on a 6K. Oh, your voltage is solid.
It's beast right now.
What about your alternator power?
It's just a 240 right
240?
now. I gotta talk to Jonathan Patrick on a 390.
Yep. What about the subs and amps? What's in there?
Subs, they're SSA Evils,
Okay.
15s,
Yep.
and the vocals is 4 Neo Pro V3s, Sundown.
Okay.
And the tweets are 2 FT1 Crescendos.
Okay. Nice. Can I see under the hood before the demo too? Sure. What's it doing on the meter? Have you metered yet?
I just got a new port in.
Okay.
It's tuned a little higher. It's a little
You got
louder.
the big 3 ran?
Yeah.
A little higher than you wanted? Okay. Appreciate it. Alright. You said it was tuned a little higher than you wanted, or?
Nah, it's tuned the way I want it now. I used to play the lows, but this car hates it.
How low do you play?
I play it down to 30 hertz now.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad. I'm having that one.
Yeah. What vehicle and year is this?
Huh?
What vehicle are you? What vehicle is this?
07 Chevy Cobalt.
Chevy Cobalt. Okay.
Let's see, get your sound going.
Oh, you're good. Sometimes the fans will make that noise.
I think that's what
When you turn the fan off, it won't be that bad. What about your doors? Stock or?
I don't have nothing in the
Nothing
door.
in it? Okay.
That's all right.
All here? All right.
Yep.
I'm gonna get just a shot real quick while you're looking. Well,
Ready.
I was getting a video for them to see the whole box. They like to see everything. Oh. Shut it. All right.
Slinging beats for a wetter siege, it's DJ.
45, 46.
Yeah.
That gets you. It is? Oh, okay.
Just try to seal it now.
All right. Yeah, man. These are some nice subs.
Yeah, it's just a little
Underpowered, yeah. You gonna get another 6K?
Yep.
Are they a half ohm right now?
They're a half ohm.
So you'll run 1 ohm per amp? Okay. Did you build this?
A friend of mine did, Jabo.
Okay. Looks good.
See me riding like Bonnie and Clyde, rolling 95 bucks so the girl can sing right. Pulling to the party like y'all was up. Tonight is bottoms up. Drop a tailgate on your truck. Find a keg and fill your cup. Kick it on back. I'm looking at you like
Sounds good. The higher note, though, they don't like the lows much.
They don't like it much.
Is it just the vehicle or is it tuned?
It's the tune, I think.
Whew. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, no
Oh
problem.
yeah, that was good. Heck yeah.
Uh-huh.
And they're only, for a second I thought they were 18s, but they're 15s.
They're 15s.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate that, man.
No problem, buddy.
What was your name again?
Felipe.
Okay, Felipe Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's JacobViral for another daily video. Appreciate you guys always watching. Today I'm a little late. I've been really busy today, but I always like to never miss a video for you guys. So go ahead and give this a thumbs up and give me some good commentary feedback on what you think about this system and let them know what you like and what you don't like and what could be improved or really nothing. It was a really nice wall of 215s in this Chevy Cobalt with a really clean install for the amp rack as well as just the system in general, how he had the subwoofers walled and with Rhino line with the top center port. Really clean port, really clean install of the speakers at the bottom as well. A lot of good pros to this system and not really any cons. So appreciate you guys watching. Let them know in the comments. And I'm going to go ahead and do the shout out of the day. It's going to go to Jay Easy. He said, hey man, how about a shout out? I watch every single one of your videos every single day and I have one question for you. And he said, box calculators. What kind of box calculator can I use just for a generic box design? So I go to Google 12volt.com. So Google box calculators 12 volt and it'll show up. And that's all I got for you there, Jay Easy. Appreciate you guys watching and appreciate you watching, Jay Easy. There's your shout out of the day. And I got two topics of discussion today. One is what to use on boxes and walls, meaning what can you use on your wall or your subwoofer box. Really don't know much on this myself outside of just tape or paint or fur or Rhino line like it was in this system. That's some of the options. A lot of guys even do just epoxy fill. They'll lay down some form of smooth surface. They'll sand it down and then they'll put a glossy look on it. I don't know how they do it. I'm not a fabricator when it comes to looks. As you can tell on my system right here, it's really ugly. But anyway, that's all I got for that. Give me some good comment feedback for me to learn, hey, what's some other options for what kind of stuff we can put on our walls and our subwoofer boxes besides the four that I mentioned. And my second topic is top port. So you notice this is a really clean build and he had this system where the port was on the top of the vehicle, walled. So why would you do the top port versus center or driver? It's all user preference, but the design is everything. And one positive I can say about top port, I've never tested it, but I know that you don't have to worry about your seats, your headrest, anything getting in the way of the port, so you know your pressure is going to be equalized in your cabin and there isn't going to ever be an interference with your port with it up there in the top, as well as I feel like maybe the pressure is a little bit louder on the dash or towards the kick because it's opposite of the top port. So maybe if you're metering for that rank level. I don't know, guys. That's some feedback maybe y'all can give me in the comments. That's all I got for the day. I got to get going. I've been pretty busy today. I stay busy every day with work and school, but that's all I got for the day. I thank you guys for always watching. Go ahead and add me on Facebook and Instagram if you have it, JacobViral. And stay tuned in upcoming weeks. I'm going to be posting a build update. I've been messing with the port. As you can see, it's ugly right now. I'm not even going to show it. Still got some testing to do, but that's all I got for now. Later, guys. JacobViral out. Until daily video tomorrow.